Now let us study the methods of producing induced EMF. Okay, that is how EMF is produced there. Okay, methods. First, you must know what's going to be EMF. Okay, EMF stands for electromotive force, but actually it's not there. Okay, it's not true. So why it came is because earlier scientists thought that some force is necessary to push the electrons from one place to another place. Okay, there is some force to move the charges. But now we know what's the proper definition of EMF. Okay, so it is a work done to move a charge from one point to another. Suppose you have a charge, it moves from this point, okay, to this point. Okay, that work done is called as the work done to move the charge. Okay, is called as the, you can see EMF or potential difference we say. Now S unit is joule per coulomb. Why? Because S unit of work is joule, S unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, so joule per coulomb, or you can say simply as volt. Okay, so we also say EMF or potential difference also both the same. Okay, now let us see what are different methods to produce this EMF. Okay, so this is just a definition or introduction to show what's done by EMF. So let's see the method now. Okay, so let's take from Faraday's law. Okay, from Faraday's laws we have. Okay, so especially we have the second law. Okay, Faraday's second law. We have this EMF produced, that is E is equal to d by dt of phi b. That means if the magnetic flux changes, okay, then we can produce this EMF here. So in this case, if you see d by dt, there's the equation here, that is we have here ba cos theta. Okay, so this is EMF stands for. Okay, so in this equation, what does each term means? EMF, this epsilon means, okay, EMF here. Okay, and this B means what? B means the magnetic field. Okay, B means the magnetic field. Okay, now it's correct. Then A stands for the area, and cos of theta. Theta is the angle. Okay, that means you can produce an EMF if you change the magnetic field, or if you change the area, or if you change the angle of the coil. Okay, so this is a very important equation to show how EMF is produced in a circuit. Okay, so by changing any one of three things, we can produce EMF. Okay, so let us see the first one, method of production of EMF by changing the magnetic field.